In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your appointments in Fresha. Whether you're a salon owner, a freelancer, or someone managing multiple schedules, being able to efficiently view your appointments can be crucial for a smooth workflow. Let's dive into how you can do this with ease using Fresha. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. Once that's done, you'll want to navigate over to the Fresha website. Fresha is a cloud-based system, meaning that you can easily access it from any device with internet capability. Once you arrive on their homepage, the next step is to log in. Use your credentials to gain access to your account. This could either be your email and password, or any other login method you've set up. Once you're logged in and greeted with the main interface of your account, look towards the left of your screen. You'll spot a menu there, which operates almost like a control center for your scheduling and appointment needs. In this menu, you'll see various icons. We're interested in the calendar icon for today. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the calendar section, the next step involves selecting specific dates you want to view. Within the calendar toolbar, there should be a date selector. This handy tool allows you to zero in on a particular day or span of days you're interested in. It helps in planning and knowing what lies ahead without any hassle. Continuing with our customization, look for the Calendar View selector in the toolbar. This feature is invaluable as it lets you toggle between different display formats. For instance, you can switch between viewing just a single day, 3 days at a time, a full week, or even the entire month. This flexibility ensures that whether you need a detailed hourly view or a broader monthly overview, Fresha has you covered. To get even more specific with your scheduling needs, focus on the filter options available. You'll find checkboxes beside categories such as appointment status, like whether the session is booked or completed. You can also filter by type, such as whether it's a session with a single client or a group, and by channel, indicating if the appointment was booked online or offline. These settings allow you to adapt the calendar display according to your precise requirements. Once you've carefully set your filters, don't forget the final, crucial step: to apply your selections. Look for the Apply button, usually located near your filter options. Clicking this button saves your choices and refreshes your calendar. This provides you with a customized view that reflects every detail you need to manage your appointments efficiently. By following these steps, you'll find that viewing your appointments in Fresha becomes a streamlined process. With the ability to tailor how you see your schedule, you'll be well equipped to handle your planning and ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of Fresha's scheduling features.